Welcome to Boldeck eLearning. In today's video, we will talk about string functions, especially left, mid, and right functions. So here we have an example of credit card numbers with the issue dates. As we all know, a credit card number is not just a series of random numbers. So the first number is the manufacturer ID, the next 5 numbers are the bank ID, next 9 numbers are the account ID, and finally we have 1 digit for the checksum. So in this example, we will learn how to take each and every one of these numbers in a separate cell alone. Okay, let's start first with the manufacturer ID. So we'll get this ID using the left function. Equal left, press tab, and then where is my text? It is in the column A. Okay, the number character, it means how many numbers do I get from the start. So for example, in this number we only want the first number, so I will input 1, close parentheses, and press enter, and as you can see now I have number 9. Now let's get the bank ID. To do that, we will use the mid function. So equal mid, press tab. Where is my text? It is in the column A. Where is my starting digit? My starting digit is the second digit. Why? Because we used the first digit in the manufacturer ID. Next, we have the number of characters. So how many characters is the bank ID? It is 5 characters. So we'll input 5, close parentheses, and press enter. And now I have my bank ID. Next, we will go to account number, and we will do that also using the mid. Why? Because our account number is in the middle of our number. It's not on the extremities. So it is equal to mid, press tab. Where is my text? It is in the A column. My starting number will be 7. Why? Because we have used the first digit for the manufacturer ID, the next 5 digits for the bank ID. So now we are at digit number 7. Okay, and my number of characters will be 9 because the account number is made of 9 digits. Press enter, and this is my account number. And finally, the checksum digit, we will get that using the right formula because it is at the extremity. Okay, so where's my text? It is in the a column, comma, the number of characters, it is only 1. Okay, for example, if we want to take the last 4 digits of the credit card number, we can simply replace 1 by 4. But here in this example, because we are working with the different identifications of a credit card number, we have to follow the rules. Okay, now let's go to get the issue year. I specifically put in this example the issue date so that you can see the limitations of using the string functions. String functions you work only with text, or they mainly work with text because it is because numbers in Excel have many limitations. So for example, let's say we want to input a number in any cell. So I will put 096542, for example. I'll press enter, and as you can see, the 0 will vanish. Why? Because a 0 on the left doesn't have any meaning in numbers. But if I make it as a text, so I will add the 0 back and add a small quotation mark. I'll press enter. As you can see, Excel will take it as a text now. It is not in a number format. Similarly, if we input more than 16 digits, or if we input more than 15 digits, the 16th digit will be transformed to a 0 automatically without even asking your permission to do that. That's why all the credit card numbers here are in text format. As you can see, I have this small quotation mark or the apostrophe at the beginning of the numbers. Okay, so this is in text mode or in text format, not in number format. Now I will show you the limitation with the dates. So let's say I want to get the year from the issue date. So how to do that? As we have learned, we can use the right function. It is equal to right. Okay, press tab. Where is my text? This is my text. So Excel, the argument in Excel says text. It doesn't say digits or cell. It says text. So it is better to have a text there. Anyway, we are working now with a date. How many characters from the right? It is 4. Why? For example, here we have 1994, so it is 4 digits only. Let's close parentheses and press enter. As you can see, we have a very weird number. What is this number? As we have learned before, dates are not dates. Dates are a unique number, okay? As you can see here, it is a unique number that is specified for this date, okay? So Excel here took the last 4 digits of this number, not from the date, okay? Let's take it back to, to a long date, okay? Now that we know the limitations of the string functions, let's get the issue year of this credit card. So it is equal to year, we will use the function year, and this works with dates only, okay? And we will select this cell and I will press enter. And as you can see, we have now the issue year. Let's autofill for all the other values and double click here, and here we go. That's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit the like button. If you have any questions or concerns, please put them in the comments and we will answer them as soon as possible. Thank you and take care.